Hello there, welcome to another video. This is not a book review. This is a short video to share my experience with an online bookseller from the UK called Book Depository. They offer free delivery worldwide. Before COVID, I purchased a book called Uprooted in paperback format from them. They send the book in a nice packaging made by the company called Sealed Air. The reason I decided to get it from Book Depository is the pricing. I purchased it on February 18, 2020. At that time, the book cost Rs 552 in Amazon India and Book Depository was selling it for Rs 464. They dispatched the book on February 21st, and I received it after 10 days. The book was delivered by India Post. Honestly, I didn't expect I'll receive it that fast. I thought it would at least take 2 or more weeks. Now, a small tip, if you plan to buy books from them, try visiting their website using a VPN and you might get low pricing than Indian pricing. Make sure to try different countries as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button if you've not done it yet and click the bell icon.